नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण सेतू अभ्यासक्रमामधील इयत्ता 10वीचा विषय गणित यामधील दिवस 9 चा अभ्यासक्रम बघणार आहोत। नाउ इन डे 9 द कंपोनेंट इज म्हणजे घटक आहे ऑपरेशन ऑन लाइक सर्ट्स and subcomponents, multiplication, division and rationalizes the denominator. Now in this case the important points is we can do multiplication and division of like surds. Now for this we take one example. The example is give the simplest form to 4 root 12 into 2 root 3. In this case, we have to multiply these two surds. Solution, we write this example as it is. Now, this surd and this surd we write in one, that is this root. So, I multiply this 4 into 2 outside and in root 12 into 3. Now 4 to the 8. Now 12 3 the 36. Again I write this 8 as it is into root 36 means 6. Now multiply this 8 6 the 4 to 8. Now in this way we can solve other example also. Now next example is on division. So example is give simplest form 8 under root 35 divide 4 under root 7. Now in this case also this example write as it is. Now we divide this surd by 4 root 7. I write this in denominators, that is 8 root 35 divide 4 root 7. Now I write again 4 by 8 and these two curly I write this radical in one curly. So I write again, that is 35 by 7. Now I divide this 4 by 8 by 4. So 4 to the 8 and 7 5 the 35. So answer is 2 into root 5. Now next topic is rationalization of surd. Now what is rationalization of surd? If the product of two surds is rational numbers, म्हणजे जर दोन सर्डचं प्रॉडक्ट केलं आणि तो रॅशनलायझेशन येत रॅशनल नंबर येत असेल तर ईच सर्ड इज कॉल्ड अ रॅशनलायझिंग फॅक्टर ऑफ अदर सर्ड्स. म्हणजे दोन सर्डचं जर मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं आणि ते आन्सर रॅशनल नंबर येत असेल तर ते दोन सर्ड एकमेकाचं रॅशनलायझेशन फॅक्टर असं म्हणतो आपण. नाउ फॉर धिस डेफिनेशन द एक्झाम्पल इज रूट 3 इज मल्टिप्लाय बाय रूट 3. वी गेट रूट 3 into 3, that is root 9, and root 9 means 3. That is, and 3 is a rational numbers. So this root 3 is the rationalization factor of root 3. This is. Now second example is root 3 is multiplied by root 12. We get under root 3 into 12 and 3 into 12 means root 36 and root 36 means 6. Again 6 is a rational number. Therefore root 3 is rationalizing factor of root 12. And we can also say that root 12 is rationalization factor of root 3. Now we should solve this assignment, that is day 9. Question number 1, choose the correct option of the following. Number 1 is 3 root 6 into 2 root 2. In this case this like surd, and so we have to multiply this 3 into 2 and in root 6 to the 12. Again 12 means 12 means 4 3 ja 6. So 4 again come in outside. So 3 into 2 into 2, that is 4 6 3 ja 12, and in bracket in curly, that is only 3. In this way you have to choose the correct option from this. Now second example is 6 root 12 divide 3 root 6. Again we can divide this 6 by 3 and root in under root 12 by 6. So 12 by 6 means only 2, and 6 by 3 means 2. That is answer is 2 root 2. So choose the correct answer and write. Now question number 2. Solve the following subquestions. Number 1 is give simple form. Example is 4 root 15 into 3 root 3. So this example I write again, and now I take this 2 that is root 15 and root 3 in one curly. So 4 into 3 in bracket and root 15 into 3. Now 4 3 ja 12, and in this case that is 15 means 5 3 ja 15. So how now why we take these factors? Because 3 into 3 means 9 and root 9 means I take 3 common. So again I write this 12 and 3 3, that is 9. 9 means again root 3. So 12 3 ja 36 and root 5 as it is. Now next example is give the simple form, that is 8 root 28 divide 2 root 7. This example is on division. So I write this example as it is. Now again I write this 8 by 2, 28 root 28 by root 7. So I write this 8 by 2 and in one curly 28 by 7. So 7 4 ja 28. So I write this root 4 and 2 4 ja 8, that is 4. So again I write this 4 as it is, and root 4 means 2, म्हणजे 4 चा वर्गमूळ 2. Now again 4 2 ja 8. This is the answer of this example. Now you have to solve third example as it is. Now fourth example, I take fourth example. Rationalize the denominator. Example is 3 by 5 root 7. Now in this case again I write this example. Now 5 root 7, if I multiply this 5 root 7 by root 7, we get, that is 5 into 7, that is 35, and it is 35 means it is rational number. So this root 7 is the rational, that is factors of this 5 root 7, that is multiplying factors. So I multiply this root 7 to denominator and numerator to this. So I write this. Now 3 into root 7 in numerator and 5 as it is. Root 7 into root 7 means only 7. So again write this 3 root 7 in numerator and 5 7 ja 35. In this way we solve this example. Thank you.